So you're working on a 4G63 or 4G64 and you're doing an engine rebuild and you come to the crank bolt, where if you're doing it up or undoing it, the FIBA Motorsport crank locking tool is where it's at. This is a simple device that simply bolts in to the standard sprocket. This also allows you to work on the transmission side in terms of doing the flywheel bolts or your torque converter flex wheel bolts. It makes life a lot easier. You can do it with one person, no more needing two people to jam the flywheel teeth, snapping flywheel teeth. It's all in the possibility of one person. You'll use your breaker bar for your 1/2 inch square. You can even lock it in place, so then you've got two hands free. Then you can undo the crank bolt, just like so. And when you want to do it up again, all you'll do is you'll relocate this to the other side. Job done. That made it so much easier with the crank locking tool from FIBA Motorsport.